Hello, my name is Lavnesh from BA Honors Political Science. My presentation topic is Role of Member of Parliament. Today I am going to tell about Union Legislature, historical overview about Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, role of Member of Parliament, their qualification, their disqualifications, and in last MP Land Fund. So let's start from understanding what is representative. Representative is a one who represent the constituency as a member of legislative body. Now we will look about the historical overview. Indian Parliament was formally inaugurated after the national election in 1951. Its historical root can be tracked back to Indian Council Act of 1861 and the representative government carried out under the British. The Legislative Council that followed reform of 1919 aimed at gradually developing representative institution of the native, but this institution limited in power. It was after the Government of India Act 1935 the presence of elected Indian representative in the elective council became significant. But this was not successful, transferring power to elected representative in any real sense. It was only after the drawing of the Constitution and the creation of Twin Representative of the People Act 1950 and 51 the nation election leads to first parliament in independent India. Now we will discuss about the union's legislation. Union's legislation constraint of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now we will discuss about the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as House of Peoples. The 543 member elected by general population and 2 member Anglo-India elected by the President of India. The normal life of every Lok Sabha is only 5 years. Lok Sabha is the house to which Council of Ministers is responsible under the Constitution. Money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Also, it is the Lok Sabha that grants money for the running of the administration of the country. Now we will look about the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also called Upper House or the Council of State. It is a permanent house with its member elected by the Electoral College and one-third of the member retire after every 2 years. Each member is elected for a 6-year term. Member of Rajya Sabha are elected by the member of MLA in accordance with the system of proportional representative by the means of single transferable vote. The legislature of state elect 238 members and president nominate 12 members on the basis of cabinet advice. Now we will say differentiate between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Money bill are passed only in Lok Sabha. Money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha can be dissolved during national emergency. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. Council of Ministers is more responsible to Lok Sabha. Council of Ministers is responsible to Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha have an upper hand on Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha does lack in such matters. Lok Sabha can pass no confidence motion. Rajya Sabha cannot pass no confidence motion. Now, Member of Parliament. Their qualifications. As per the Article 84 of the Constitution, a person is qualified to be Member of Parliament provided he is a citizen of India, have completed 13 years of age in case of Rajya Sabha and 25 years in case of Lok Sabha. Third, only an electoral can be elected. The candidate must be registered as a voter in the parliamentary constituency and must be eligible to vote. Fourth, a person from a reserved category can only contest the election if the Lok Sabha seat is reserved for the reserved category. However, SC and ST person can contest an election on an unreserved seat as well as. Now we will see about their disqualification. The Constitution of India have provided in Article 102 that a Member of Parliament will be disqualified for the membership if he hold any office of profit under the union of a state government. Second, he is unsound minded and stands so declared by the court. Third one is he should be under charge insolvent. Fourth one is he should be disqualified under any other law by the parliament. Now we will discuss about their power, function and role of Indian Parliament. Power and function. First is legislative power, second is deliberative power, third is supervisory power, fourth is electoral power, fifth is representative responsibility, sixth is other power, seventh is developmental power. Now we will discuss it in brief. First by first. First is legislative power. As we know, member of parliament representing from the people in the parliament. That is why he or she holds some kind of power and function and play a very vital role in the parliament like a legislature. According to Article 111 of the Constitution of India, a bill become an act only if passed by both houses of parliament and assisted by the president. When a bill is introduced either of the house of parliament, member of parliament are required to be division various provisions of the bills and propose an amendment if they wish to be. Member of Parliament also participate in the voting for the amendment of Constitution of India. Member of Parliament also participate in the process of impeachment of president removals and judge of the High Court and the Supreme Court. Now, second power is deliberative power. Executive is accountable to the legislature. Member of Parliament asks questions to the government minister, including Prime Minister in the Parliament. Oral question can be asked by Member of Parliament. Through such questions and debate, Member of Parliament can be active voice of his and her constituent or his and her state in the Parliament. Parliament has several standing committees whose members are nominated by the chairman of respective house. Now, supervisory role. The Member of Parliament exercises control over the executive through parliamentary intervention such as question hour, calling attention motion, and other discussion, etc. Member of Parliament also supervise the executive by participating in committee like Public Account, Estimate, and various other department related standing and ad hoc committee. Member of Parliament are regularly participate in debate on issues pertaining to these committees. Now, electoral power. A member of parliament participates in the election of president and vice president. A Lok Sabha member of parliament elect speaker of the house and deputy speaker, whereas the Rajya Sabha member of parliament elect the vice chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now, representative responsibilities. Every member of parliament is the voice for his and her constituency and have to raise issues of his and her constituency in the parliament through questions, debate and so on. Member of Parliament has been given the responsibility to recommend projects in the constituency to the district collectors. A separate scheme called MP Land Fund is allocated 5 crore to each member per year and it was instituted in the year 1993. Even in the case of MP Land Fund, MP only have a power to recommendation of the project. Now, other parts. As Member of Parliament, MP approve all three emergency national, state, financial emergency. Member of Parliament hold very important position in the parliamentary democracy with 543 MP in Lok Sabha, representing more than 1.2 million people. Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament is the voice of his and her state in the parliament. Now, last one is developmental power. Apart from his and her role in parliament, a member of parliament also an important development role in his and her state or constituency. Member of parliament can fulfill this role with aids of following provision. First one is MP land. Under MP land, launched in 1993, every member of parliament is allocated 5 crore for the developmental work in the constituency. The scheme is administered by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, which lay down guidelines on the work and activities permitted under the MP land. Representation in the local bodies. Part 9, Subclause A of the Constitution have a provision under which the legislature of a state may provide representation of the Member of Parliament at the intermediate and district level Panchayat. Member of Parliament also nominate to District Planning Committee, which are constitutional body responsible for preparing developmental plan for the district. For example, in Maharashtra, state government nominate member of parliament, member of legislative assembly to the district planning committee. Now we will discuss MP Land Fund. It means member of parliament local area development fund. It was launched in 1993 and currently administered by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. It provides fund to the parliamentary for implementing development work in their respective constituency. Each MP is allocated rupees 5 crore per year since 2011 and 12, which has been increased from 5 lakh in 1993 and 1994 and rupees 2 crore in 1998 and 1999. And we will see what types of items and work are come under the MP Land Fund. First is social welfare, item related to physically challenged individual. Second one is health, ambulance, vehicle to transport sick, injured animals in wildlife sanctuary, etc. Third one is education, computer, mobile, furniture, etc. Lok Sabha member can recommended work within their constituency and Rajya Sabha can recommended work within their state. Fifth one is infrastructure, government school, hospital, construction of railway, etc. Now we will see funding mechanism of the MP Land Fund. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation shall release the annual entitlement to the district administration in two installments of rupees 2.5 crore each. The second installment of provision year were released. Utilization certificate of previous year covering at least 80% of expenditure of first installment of the previous year has been furnished. Last, we will see about the conclusion. India Constitution treat Parliament as a supreme institution of people. It reflects the wish of all sections of India society. Each member of Parliament play very important role like deliberative electoral power, etc. They are mechanism through which people interact and voice represent in the Parliament. It should be able to oversee and keep the executive under control. Member of Parliament hold very important position in the Parliament democracy in India because members discharge their duty honestly and represent the interest of people in the Parliament and provide their solution in the form of policies, etc. So thank you so much.